things from your teachers, right? Myself Kinjal Jani from Market and Drama Space, and today we are going to listen to a very interesting story, which is The Fox and the Grapes.
The Fox and the Grapes. Long, long ago, there lived a fox in a jungle who loved to eat. एक दिन वो जंगल में घूम रहा था. And then suddenly he found a bunch of beautiful grapes hanging from a high branch. और वो अंगूर बहुत रसीले और स्वादिष्ट दिख रहे थे. And the fox felt very hungry. However, the grapes hang higher than the fox could reach. उसने छलांग लगाकर अंगूर को लेने की कोशिश की, पर वो ले नहीं सका. He backed up and took a running start and jumped. But he did not get high enough. वो अंगूर तक पहुंच नहीं पा रहा था. Again, he went back to his starting spot and tried again. वो वापस जाकर वहाँ से अंगूर को लेने की कोशिश कर रहा था. He almost got high enough this time, but he could not reach the grapes. He tried and tried again and again, jumped and jumped, but he could not reach the branch. Again, he went back to the starting point and ran towards the grapes branch, but just could not get high enough to grab the grapes. Finally, he gave up. आखिर में वो हार मानकर वहाँ से चला गया और जाते जाते उसने सोचा कि शायद ये अंगूर खट्टे ही होंगे. As he walked away, he put his nose in the air and said, "I'm sure those grapes are sour." The moral of the story is, it's easy to despise what you cannot have. Nothing comes easy without a hard work.
Hope you understood the story. So stay safe at your home. Don't go out. Bye bye. Take care.